Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is September 21st, 2024, and we have a lot to cover, from Apple's latest repair manuals to exciting new app releases. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Apple has released detailed repair manuals for the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro models. These manuals are aimed at skilled technicians and provide step-by-step instructions for replacing genuine Apple parts. Notably, the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus are easier to repair with an electric battery removal process, while the Pro models still use adhesive tabs. However, the tools needed for these repairs aren't yet available on Apple's self-service repair website. Despite improvements in repairability, the cost of tools and parts may make self-repair as expensive as professional services, suggesting these manuals are more for independent repair shops. In other Apple news, the iPhone 16 Pro was recently showcased, but attention is shifting to the new AirPods Pro 2. These earbuds feature a hearing protection mode, utilizing the H2 chip for active noise reduction and passive noise reduction through ear tips. They also introduce an over-the-counter hearing aid capability, allowing personalized adjustments for users with mild to moderate hearing loss. This could make them a game-changer in noisy environments, though compatibility with Android devices remains a concern. The European Commission has given Apple a 6-month deadline to enhance cross-device interoperability under the Digital Markets Act. This includes improving iOS connectivity with smartwatches and headphones and addressing developers' requests for third-party interoperability. Failure to comply could result in hefty fines. Apple has already made some changes, like allowing third-party app stores, but continues to withhold certain features from European users due to regulatory constraints. Brzzy Weather is a new app that makes checking the weather more engaging with interactive forecasts and custom GIFs. It offers real-time activity ratings and vibrant designs that change throughout the day. The app is free to download and compatible with iPhones running iOS 17.5 or later. Users have praised its fun approach to weather forecasting. YPod is a life planning app designed to help users stay organized with tools like a life goals planner and AI-powered insights. It's available for free with in-app purchases and is compatible with iPhones running iOS 18.0 or later. The app has been updated to version 1.1 with bug fixes and minor improvements. After upgrading to macOS 15.0 and Pages 14.2, users are experiencing issues with Pages not opening Word documents. A workaround involves renaming .docx files to .doc. The community is actively discussing solutions, highlighting ongoing compatibility issues between Pages and Word documents. Aisten is a podcast transcription app that aids language learning by providing transcriptions for podcasts. The app supports multiple languages and has been praised for its transcription quality and privacy practices. It's compatible with various Apple devices and aims to be a valuable tool for language learners. Safari 18.0 has been released with new features and improvements, particularly in accessibility and performance. The update includes support for new CSS properties, enhanced Apple Pay features, and improved handling of web technologies. Deprecated features include support for JPEG 2000, focusing on compliance with web standards. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Remember, you can find links to all the stories in the episode notes. Join us again tomorrow for more Apple news.